everyone, it's Kaylee. Today I'm going to be restoring this American Girl Grace doll that I got for $25 on Facebook Marketplace. Her hair is pretty matted, her skin is dirty, and she also has a couple of stains on her legs and on her body cloth. The first thing I'm doing is removing her head because it's a lot easier to scrub when the body and the head are separated. To clean her skin, I'm using a magic eraser that's wet with a little bit of water and scrubbing gently over all of the vinyl parts of her body. As you can see, there's a lot of dirt coming off on this magic eraser, which just shows how dirty she is. After I scrubbed with magic eraser, I noticed this small purple stain still wasn't coming off. So here you can see me scrubbing it with a little bit of non-acetone nail polish remover and then again with a magic eraser. And as you can see, it didn't come off. So my next step is to use benzoyl peroxide in order to get this stain off. To do this, I'm taking a small amount of 10% benzoyl peroxide acne cream and applying it right to the spot. Then I'm covering it with a little bit of saran wrap and leaving it outside in the sun for a few hours until the spot essentially gets bleached out. Here you can see me cleaning the doll's face, and again I'm just using a magic eraser. I'm scrubbing very gently and being extra careful not to scrub too hard over any of the painted spots on her face, including her eyebrows, freckles, and mouth paint. As you can see here, there is a blue stain on the fabric part of the doll's body. In order to get this stain out, I have to disassemble the doll and then wash the fabric part separately. Here I am disassembling the doll. And now I'm ready to wash the body. I'm hand washing the body, so I've prepared a small bath with a little bit of detergent, and I'm just taking the fabric part and trying to scrub it a little bit with my fingers. Since the stain is not coming out just by that, I have to use some stain remover, and I'm just scrubbing that in with a toothbrush, then putting the body back into the water to soak for a few more minutes to fully remove the stain. Then I just left the body to hang up until it was fully dry before reassembling the doll. Now I'm going to begin the process of reassembling the doll. To start off, I have to heat up the limbs again so that the vinyl is soft enough to work with. In order to reattach the limbs to the doll's body, I have to restring them. So as you can see here, I'm removing the tension cups from the inside of the doll's limbs. Now you can see me beginning the restringing process by preparing a brand new set of strings and tension cups that will go inside of the doll's limbs. Once again, I'm heating up the vinyl so that it's soft enough for me to push the tension cups back through. And once there's a tension cup inside of each limb, I'm rethreading them back through the body, adding a second tension cup and another little clip to keep everything nice and secure. Now that all of the limbs have been reattached, I'm restuffing the doll and I can put her head back on. Now I'm moving on to fix her hair. As you can see, it's pretty matted. I can barely put my fingers through it. So I'm starting off by wetting her hair with a spray bottle and then just brushing through it really carefully, going from bottom to top to make sure that I don't make any tangles worse. Once her hair is all brushed through, I'm going back and making it really wet again and using a flat iron to help get rid of some of the frizz. I'm doing this in small sections and repeating the process of brushing, wetting, and straightening around her whole head. And ta-da! Here she is. I re-braided her hair to match her meat hairstyle and put her back into the outfit that she comes in. I think she looks a million times better than she did when I started. You can just see from the shininess of her skin before how dirty it was compared to how nice and matte it is now, which shows that it's clean. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all soon. Thank you so much for watching this video by The Dolls in the Rain. If you enjoyed, make sure to click over here to check out some more and subscribe. Thanks again, and see you soon.